welcome back to another travel edition of Travel with the Seas, and today we are in the Ritz in Mayfair, London. This room is incredible. We are in room 310 and we're going to start with the bathroom. As you can see, everything is immaculately clean. You got the taps there, the toiletries. Look at the way they correlated, it's crazy. This room's crazy. The tile's very nice. That's the shower, the bathtub. You got the bidet, the toilet there. Comes with 2 robes. They even got a telephone. Let's go into the main. So you got the seating area here. Comes with a 2-seater sofa. I think this is the air conditioning. Architecture is very regal. Got a desk here. TV. Let's see. Yeah, modern TV. Got a nice, I think it's a king size bed. Look at that. Got a bedside cabinet, another chair, telephone. Look at the drapes, the curtains, very nice. Got a little vanity section as well, a little makeup area. This room is beautiful. The view, I don't know if you can get the view from here, but I think it is the high street. See through the curtains. And that is it. This is the Ritz in London. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.